Hello, I'm Varde Siddharth, and today we are going to talk about how we can create objects using pointers. Let's say, what are pointers? Pointers are just variable that holds a memory location of another variable. So, like, they point towards something else. Like when you ask them, "Oh, what is it?" Like they will what are your values? They will show you like my value is like that variable's memory address, and you can go to there, like you change it or you edit the value. It will tell you like, okay, you can go to that memory address and change the value. Like it doesn't actually tell you, but it does it for you. So it's kind of like that. Uh, we can like why do we need to create an object using pointers? Like because we can create an object without using pointers too, like just declare a variable of that class, and we can create an object of that class. But why should we use pointers? Like why should we create object using pointers? Like to allocate memory dynamically on runtime. So let's say I'm playing a game, and let's say player shoots, so the bullet gets created on the runtime. So like that object gets created on the runtime. So to do that, I need to use pointers. And also it's a reference. They provide you they are reference type. Pointers are kind of reference type. So like when I say okay, it creates an object and it holds a reference to it. So when I say edit something about this, so like I can access the bullet uh, even after creating it. So that is like to use them as a reference on later point. So like if it collides with something, then I say okay, delete, okay, yes, delete the bullet object, and show the impact, how it impacted, kind of thing. So how can we create an object using pointers? So that's a simple one. This is the name of the class, player class. And we just as we define as normal pointers, like with star, and then the name of the pointer, which and to allocate the memory, we need to use the new keyword. So it will allocate a memory for that keyword, and then we call the constructor. So this is it. Like this is a simple syntax of creating an object with pointer. So like it Yes, so like new keywords will allocate a memory for that, for the point our object. And the I can like edit the pointer later with this pl object. So if I allocate the memory, I also need to delocate the memory. So like every time I allocate the memory dynamically on runtime, so like I need to deallocate it, because languages like C sharp, they has garbage collection, automatic garbage collection, C sharp and Java. So there we don't, if we don't do it, it's okay, like because garbage collector will do it for us. But in C++ we have to do it by ourselves. So that is the thing. And we can also delete that point reference using delete keyword, delete pl. So it will deallocate the memory of that object, delete the object actually, like deallocate the memory. And we can edit the like we can access the variables or the methods of the class using arrow operator. So like example of that is here, like pl arrow, then the name of the method, get health, publicly available, of course. So this is the thing. Like here I created a player class that has an private integer variable, player health, and then the two methods, public methods, getter and setter. So I create a player object using pointer and the new keyword. Then it allocates the memory. Then I say set player health, and then I print it out, what is it, and then I set it again, I print it out again. So if I create another object and kind of thing, like p2, and I I say p2 equals to p1, then if I change the p2, then p1 will change because they are reference type. So after all that, I deleted the p1, and if I try to do that, like here, get health, so like it will give me some weird value, like the garbage value. So here it is, the garbage value, uh, and the first three trials were here. So okay, that is it for the creating objects using pointers. Thank you.